blue-bound leather.
This mask is pretty cool. It's one of the coolest ones that I think are out there because it's got this bungee cord. It doesn't go around your ears, and you can wear it with hats or with like cute hair like me. You know, I want to wear it with some freaking cute hair. So anyways, yeah, so check this out. So this is the finished version. I have glasses, and a lot of these masks tend to fog up my glasses, so mine are sewn with a wire in here so you can maneuver it around all different types of face types. I also have a pretty big nose, and so this helps it to stay flat on my face and not fog up my glasses. Plus, it looks awesome. So first you put it around the nape of your neck, pull your hair out if you have long hair like me. If not, then don't worry about that. And then put it on your face like this. Okay, so it goes on the crown of your head. The little bungees do. And the cool thing about this is if you have long hair, you can just grab like what I tend to do before I put it on with my long hair. Of course, like if you don't want to do this, don't worry about it, just put it on. Anyways, I just grab like the top of my hair like that, and then I put this over that part. And now you don't have to see that I even have it on there. And then you gotta make sure that you fold this around your nose. And then you take, see, sometimes you gotta get that wire in there. I cut this wire too long. I'll fix it. But anyway, then you fold it around your cheekbones. See how this side of my glasses are fogging up? But if I push it right, then that won't happen anymore. There. That's how that works. You can adjust the strap, make it tighter if you need to, but yeah, that's the face mask. Pretty cool, huh? You're gonna need 2 pieces of fabric at 9 inches by 6.5. A bungee cord, scissors, some bias tape to measure it like at least half an inch wider than the sides of your cloth. You're also gonna need a wire for the nose bridge and an iron. So first things first is iron your fabric nice and flat. So my friend Hot Custom is the one that made his mask video, and he taught me through his YouTube video, which you guys should go follow, how to pleat the face mask, because I did not know how to do that. And so this is based on his video that he posted a little bit earlier in the week about how to pleat the face mask. So first you're gonna fold it in half hot dog ways, and then iron right there, and then fold the bottom side upwards into the middle, and then the top side into the middle. So this is special thanks to Top Custom for, you know, basically putting his knowledge out there. We appreciate that guy so much. He's so cool. You guys should go follow him. And since I live in Seattle, of course, we had to do like Seattle Seahawks, right? All right, so the next thing that you're gonna do is fold it or turn it over. And kind of like the big thing here is you need to make sure that the fabric is facing the way that you want it to face. So if you don't have to worry about this if you don't have a pattern on your fabric. So you just fold it up halfway. So fold the little ridge halfway to the next ridge, and then iron that down. And fold the middle ridge halfway to the next ridge. And then get that other fold up there, and then iron both those folds down. Then get the next bridge and pinch it, and then grab it half an inch up. So that top part there is going to be the bridge of the nose. I like to sew the sides. You don't even need to have a back stitch. They're just there to anchor it down. I like to sew the sides just to make sure that it doesn't move around on me when I start putting the bias tape on. Alright, next we're going to put the top and bottom bias tapes on first. So the bias tape that I'm using here is fabric, and I'm okay with that, but I think that there's some better, like more sturdy bias tape out there. As a matter of fact, there is, and I was using it before this, but I ran out. So I made fabric bias tape. But the thing about it is it takes time to sit here and like fold the seams down. So if you have something that won't fray at the end, you don't have to worry about folding those seams down. But if it's fabric, you have to fold those seams down because otherwise it will fray like mad. So just make sure that you use bias tape. You also want to make sure that you sew the bias tape close to the edge because you want to be able to get the elastic to be able to slide in there, as well as the wire for the nose bridge. So now we're going to move on to the sides. So next you're going to put the sides down. You want to make sure that you fold that little seam over. And the big thing about this one is that you need to make sure that you don't sew over the slots on the top nose bridge. The bottom one is fine. You want to sew all the way down on the bottom one, but the top nose bridge, you need to make sure that you can get a wire through there. So you want to make sure that you leave a little teeny tiny space, just the size of whatever wire it is that you're using to slide down on the nose bridge. So it's the only thing about this that you need to be aware of. Alright, and finally, now that we have all this done, I always burn my edges or burn my stitches to anchor them down. This is a leatherworking thing. I know a lot of fabric people don't do this, and they always ask me, why do you do that? I don't know, it's just a habit, whatever. I guess I feel more secure because I'm a leatherworker. The next thing that you're going to do is just put this together. You're going to take your bungee. The cool thing is I had something laying around in my leatherworking goodies that was able to thread the bungee through. So it was like a needle that was big enough to thread it through. You're going to have to find something in your house that will allow you to push it through the little slots on the sides of the mask. But the biggest thing here is you want to start at the bottom and then go around. So that way the knot, when you put it on, is on the bottom is at the nape of your neck. How many people looked at their Discord server to find out if they had a message? Start threading it from the bottom to the top. Get it through that slot. Don't poke it through the fabric. It can be hard. I'm going to circle it around and get it through the other side. You want to go ahead and put a knot on it. Alright, so you're almost done. Next, you're just going to slide that wire through the nose bridge, and then it'll be over.